guys, Andrew again. We're back with another project. We've got some more stacking windows, so let's take a look. So here they've got one wall. Obviously they had problems with rain and pollen coming in. They wanted a space that they could enjoy pretty much any time out of the year, and they had already an existing railing here, so they wanted something that we could fit and work around their space that was already existing. So essentially we just installed the windows into the openings that were already here, and then framed out and installed these vinyl film knee wall in front of the railings, which still meets code. There's a code item that if a space is over 36 inches off the ground, you have to have a barrier of some kind or a knee wall. And in this case, their railing satisfies that portion of the code while we're able to cover the outside with the actual vinyl so they don't have rain or pollen coming in. So they had some nice indoor furniture when we got here. Obviously, they're not really able to use it as much. Their furniture goes bad over time with it being open to the elements. So when it's covered and protected like this, they're able to have that furniture stay out there. It's not going to wash out and color out over time because of that 99% UV ray resistance that the vinyl has built into it. As you can see here, they have outdoor furniture out here as well. So now they have an fully outdoor space that they can use whenever they want. And they also have a half outdoor space that they can enjoy, sit down and drink some coffee or hang out with the family and really make the most of the space. Obviously they have their outdoor furniture covered so it's protected, but their indoor furniture is now completely protected by the vinyl film. So they don't need to worry anymore about damage to the actual fabric or the color washing out, and they can put new furniture out there without having to worry. A lot of the times you see spaces or open porches with 3 walls or even nothing there, and obviously we can enclose those, we can build from the ground up, but a lot of people, they just have one opening on their home and they want to think of solutions that they can put there. So this is a great option in this case because you're able to enclose that one wall, even existing openings, and really turn it into a space that protects against the elements. Now, this system's pretty cool as far as airflow because obviously you have to have the solid in front of the railing. It's a code item. You know, you can't really open this up. And so in order to maximize the airflow, you really want to be able to open the door as well. That way it circulates properly. If you've got one wall or one opening or a porch with one side, then this would be a great solution for you. We can also do single or double pane glass. There's a lot of options to explore for that. So give us a call. I'll come talk with you. We can figure out what would work best for your space.